I'm Mary Marola. Welcome to Cucina di Marola. I love pasta, and I really love pasta with spring vegetables. In Italian, the word Primavera means spring. So we're going to make a pasta Primavera using a spiralizer. The first thing I'm going to do is start my pan on low and add some olive oil. We can use regular olive oil here. We don't need extra virgin for this type of cooking. And then we're going to start with garlic. Now I love this garlic twist for a couple of reasons. First of all, I can smash my garlic, but I can also take little pieces and make the garlic twist that way with the small dice. Now normally, before I put garlic into the olive oil, I'll put a little bit of salt on the garlic, and that really helps bring out the oils. Adding that to my olive oil. The next thing I'm going to add is a shallot. This is one of my favorite items to use to really bring out the taste. And in order to dice a shallot, we're going to leave the root end intact and do a cut and a cross cut. Now you'll see I'm using a ceramic knife. I love these because they are 10 times sharper than stainless, and I can get a beautiful dice. I'm using a 100% semolina zucchini, linguine. And the more water you use, the better you are with your pasta. We're going to bring that to a boil, and that's going to cook fairly quick. Now it's time for our vegetables. And I'm going to be using zucchini and carrot today. The straighter the zucchini, the easier it is to spiralize. Now this particular piece has 4 settings. I'm going to use the number 2 to give us something that's similar to a linguine. And then we're going to take our carrot get the peel off of it. Get a nice big chunk of carrot. There's our carrot. Now sometimes, to make these a little bit easier to eat, I'll do a little chop on them. Now at this point, I'm going to add a little extra olive oil and start with the carrot, because the carrot needs a little bit more cooking time than our zucchini. We're going to need a little bit of parsley. This was just picked from our garden. And a tiny bit of basil. Now it's time for the zucchini. If you don't eat pasta and you don't eat wheat, this combination of vegetables is perfect with the garlic, shallot, and olive oil combination. A little bit of oil in so I can toast that red pepper. And some pasta water. Now to give us that velvety finish, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And you'll see that the vegetables and the pasta are soaking up that little bit of pasta water and creating a sauce. And now we're going to finish the dish with a mixture of Parmesan and Romano cheese, a little bit of parsley, and some basil. See how quick that was? So, linguine with pasta primavera vegetables, a perfect dish for the summer or the spring. I'm Mary Marola, founder of Function Junction. Please come and shop with us, where I can show you all of the tools I'm using today and help you develop your own kitchen confidence.